1st of May, 2023. Anisa International launches a line of minimalistic stand-up alone brushes. Debut at Makeup in Los Angeles and at Cosmoprof Worldwide Bologna 2023. The A-line collection was designed to be travel-friendly and fully compatible with solid makeup formulations, while being highly effective when product application is concerned. The global cosmetic brush design and manufacturing company has debuted a new collection of ferule-free makeup brushes that can stand up alone while being easy to handle and to control in order to facilitate the application of the product on